Hi everyone, it's Angela here from Cornerstone Auto, and today I am going to show you the newly redesigned 2019 Ford Edge. Now the Edge is Ford's largest crossover and it sits just above the Escape but below the Explorer. It has been very popular since it came out, and that's for its maneuverability, especially in the winter, as well as its functionality with all of the cargo space and even the comfortable ride that will fit up to 5 adults. Some of the other exterior features that Ford redid in 2019 is that your hood is going to be a flatter looking hood. You also have a different headlamp assembly as well as an all-new grille. With 2019, Ford also introduced something called Co-Pilot 360, which is 5 safety features that come standard on the Edge. So those 5 safety features are going to be your rear camera, your bliss, your pre-collision braking, your lane keep assist, as well as your automatic headlamps. So there's 2 engine configurations available in the Edge. Your base trim levels are going to have the 2.0 liter, but then if you're wanting something a little bit more sporty, you can upgrade to the ST, which will give you the 2.7 liter V6 engine that's going to get you 335 horsepower. So there are 4 trim levels available in the Edge. You have the SE, the SEL, the Titanium, which all come with the 2.0 liter, and then we have the ST, and that is what we are looking at today. So if you are familiar with the Edge, last year we had the Sport trim level. The ST replaced it this year, but it still has the performance under the hood, the better suspension, as well as the sporty look all around. So taking a look at the interior here, we do have a nice black on black interior. On the doors, we have a nice accent stitching. And then this particular model is equipped with the B&O audio system that has up to 12 speakers. Taking a look at the seat, we do have heated seats available. It is power adjusting with the lumbar support. And then up on the back of the seat, you will see that we have the ST stitched in. And then in the center console, we have our Sync 3 system that has a lot of new technology and even the redesign that we're going to be touching on shortly. Taking a look at your second row here, we do have a couple outlets available for our passengers in the back. And then if you are looking for a little bit more storage space or a little bit more cargo room, you can fold the seat down to give you a nice flat surface. So we are making our way to the back here. Part of the redesign, they also redid your tail lamps as well as the accent over here. With the Co-Pilot 360, your backup camera, like I mentioned, is standard. You also have your parking sensors below. And then one other really cool thing they did for 2019 is that your chrome tip dual exhaust is now standard on the Edge. We do have the hitch on this model. So if you have the front wheel drive Edge, you can tow up to 1,500 pounds. And if you have the all-wheel drive, you can tow up to 3,500 pounds. This particular model is also equipped with the hands-free lift gate. So you slide your foot just below here, and then it opens the the lift gate for you. Taking a look back here, you can see on both of the sides we have a little bit of extra storage space. If you are looking to put any of your grocery bags or try to keep that organized, we do have grocery hooks there. And then one other cool thing for 19 is that these seats, the second row, do fold down automatically. So you're able to hold down that button there and it folds the seats down for a nice flat surface. Down below here is where you're going to find your spare tire as well as a little bit of extra storage around the vehicle. Now to close the gate, there is a button just up top. So like I mentioned, we are looking at the ST model. Down here, we have the black gloss 20-inch wheels that are specific to the ST trim level, but there are a variety of other styles available. Taking another look at the back seat here. Now we do have the smart key equipped on the Edge. So taking a look at the key, we do have our automatic start as well as the button for the lift gate. And one other really cool feature that Ford offers is going to be your Ford Pass. This is an app that you download on your phone or your tablet, and it allows you to start or stop your vehicle, lock or unlock, and even locate your vehicle. It also provides you health reports. So these will come right to that app and it'll tell you about the maintenance that is needed for your Edge. We also have our keypad on the exterior here. You will find your bliss on your side mirrors. And then like I mentioned, we do have a smart key. So Ford has put the sensors on all 4 doors of the Edge, so as long as you are within 3 feet, you will gain access. Taking a look at the driver's side here, we have our memory seats for up to 3 drivers. And then to the left of the steering wheel, we have our lift gate button as well as our electronic stability control button that you're able to turn off. And then very similar to the passenger side, your driver's side is power adjusting with lumbar support that is also heated, and it does have the ST emblem in the back. So here we are on the inside of the newly redesigned 2019 Ford Edge. We are in the ST, which is top of the trim level, so we have a lot of great features available in this vehicle. Some of the features that we don't have but you can upgrade to is going to be your panoramic sunroof. But we do have a lot of great technology, some of that being your auto-dimming rear view mirror, as well as your Sync 3 system. So here we are on the home screen. In your audio, you're able to look at your radio settings. Climate is going to be your dual zone climate control, and here you will also find your heated steering wheel button. You're able to connect your phone. This is where you're able to download apps that are customizable to you. And then in the settings screen here, you're going to have your Ford Pass Connect. Now I mentioned the Ford Pass app. The Connect button allows you to have a vehicle hotspot and connectivity settings. For 2019, they added a 4G Wi-Fi, which allows you to connect up to 10 devices to this Wi-Fi. One of the other things that this particular model doesn't have is navigation, and that is because it is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so that allows you to plug in your phone to the vehicle through the USB and use whatever mapping you choose on your phone. You also have a couple other settings available on the second screen. Down below that, you have your hard buttons for your climate and your audio, and then you have your heated seat buttons for both the driver and the passenger. New for 2019 is going to be your wireless charging station. So down below there, to the left of the USB is where you'll be able to find the charging station. With that, they also designed and introduced the rotary shifter available in the Edge. So you have your sport mode in the middle with your paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. You have your automatic parking brake, and then you have your button for your auto start stop feature to turn that off as well. Making our way over to the steering wheel here, you have your phone buttons as well as your radio buttons on the right. To the left, you have your cruise control buttons. Behind the steering wheel to the left is going to be your lane keep assist button, and then you also have your D-pads. So on the left here, we have some of your vehicle settings. You have your driver assist settings, your fuel economy, which is going to go over your miles to empty. And then you also have your trip information and your display mode. On the right side here, you have a mini Sync 3 system, which will allow you to adjust your entertainment as well as your phone. And then with that, if you do have the navigation through the Edge, you would see the navigation on the left side as well. So we just got done looking at the newly redesigned 2019 Ford Edge. Ford did a great job redesigning this vehicle with comfort and stability in mind. So if you have any questions, you want to take one for a test drive, you're looking at something with an SUV that has some performance, the ST is a great place to start looking. Give us a call at 763-441-2300, and don't forget to check us out at cornerstoneauto.com.